Something a little different for you guys today. It's your boy Three Wheels. I got this old trailer out here, and it has a Pintle Hitch on the front, which is this loop. We're going to cut this loop off, cut this chain off, and we're going to put a 2-inch receiver on. So a quick rundown on this trailer. This is a 14 by 6. It's got some tall sides, 5-lug spindle or 5-lug axle, and a Pintle Hitch on the front, an old jack that I don't know if it works or not. But anyway, I got this. I actually picked it up doing some trading, and we're going to cut this whole trailer down and make it a little more user-friendly. So the first thing, of course, is make it a little more towable just by adding a 2-inch receiver, because that's what every other trailer I have has. We'll do another couple of videos of cutting down the sides, adding the gate to the back, all that kind of stuff. But for the first video, we're just going to go through and get this thing where it's easier to move around. Alright, got it bolted on. You ready to go? Went ahead and put the jack back on. That's going to wrap up this video. My name's Erwin. This Three Wheels on a Block. Tune in for the next video where we go ahead and do some more work on this trailer. Until then, we'll see you soon.